Hello, guys.
Silang dalawa na talo na.
What's the word?
Rainbow. Wala pa. Tingnan natin.
Ano kaya yun? Just hindi yung ilaw, Gian.
Ito. Baba mo.
Blast
Ay,
off!
rainbow
It's
nga.
rainbow.
Ano to?
Can you see which group is unlike the others?
Tama. Ayaw. Ano yan? Eh, wala pa pala. Hindi ba yung ilaw? Hindi ba yung ilaw? Hindi. Ako muna, wa.
Impressive observation. It's group C.
Yan!
Coca-Cola-Stick.
Can you figure it out?
Ano?
Kapag sa
Star.
mga ni Gian.
Stick. Stick. Putek na yan!
Master, mind-blowing.
Yan. Wala na po.
Sophia.
Uy, kunti lang.
Oo.
Okay na yan. Coca-Cola stick. Go. Teacher. Ay! Wala pa lang. Mango. Ay, Facebook. Hoy! Na. Wait lang, kala niyo. Go.
Which word do these emojis represent?
Post lang.
Great. It's
Hoy!
hockey.
Yung ilaw nga! Pennywise. Pennywise, ikaw.
Ilang ka.
Pancake. Ay, mooncake.
Mali.
Mooncake.
Ilang ka.
Pennywise.
Guess the word using only these emojis as hints.
Ano, Gunstar.
Ay.
If you saw a shooting star,
Ito nga ang shooting star.
Shooting star.
shooting star.
Ay!
Teka lang. Ako. Ano?
If you saw a
Lola.
shooting star,
Oh, hindi. Wag gumano ka lang eh.
comments below.
Coca-Cola stick. Ako, si Gia naman. Ay, Gian pa.
What do these emojis mean?
Uy, magdala lang.
Gada-gadi-gada-gada.
Wala. Mali, Gian. Walang din.
Meatball? Meatball?
Ay! Tama!
Meatball.
Sabi niya naman next.
Coca-Cola stick.
Pennywise.
What word fits these emojis?
Wala! Ay, shirt! Wala! Blue whale. Putik na yan.
Eight up kasi.
Paano? Ito kaya.
Always ready to answer.
Blue whale yan. Blue whale. Hoy! Sabi mo shark eh. Ay! Ano?
Gummy bear.
Gummy bear. Coca-Cola
It means gummy bear.
Gummy bear?
Can you find the word?
Baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark.